A very sweet morning to everyone. Today we are going to study chapter 2, the sentence. Students, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that has complete meaning. We always begin a sentence with a capital letter. I repeat, a sentence is a group of words that has complete meaning. We always begin a sentence with a capital letter. बच्चों, वाक्य शब्दों का वह समूह है जिसका पूर्ण अर्थ होता है और वाक्य हमेशा कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होता है। बच्चों, जब कभी भी आप नया सेंटेंस शुरू करते हैं तो आपको सेंटेंस के फर्स्ट लेटर को कैपिटल लेटर में लिखना है। नाउ रीड द फॉलोइंग सेट्स ऑफ वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट, एनिमल, डोमेस्टिक, अ, काउ, इज, अ। सेकेंड, a cow is a domestic animal. Both the above sets have 6 words, but the first set of words does not make any sense, so it is not a sentence. फर्स्ट नंबर में जो शब्दों का समूह है उसका कोई अर्थ नहीं निकलता है क्योंकि वे करेक्ट ऑर्डर में अरेंज नहीं है। The second set of words makes complete sense, so it is a sentence. A cow is a domestic animal. This sentence gives us complete meaning, so it is a sentence. दूसरे नंबर में जो शब्दों का समूह है वो हमें पूर्ण अर्थ प्रदान करते हैं। ये सेंटेंस करेक्ट ऑर्डर में अरेंज है। Now we will see some features of a sentence. First, a sentence always begins with a capital letter. Sentence हमेशा capital letter से शुरू होता है। Whenever you start a sentence, you must begin a sentence with a capital letter. Next feature, the words used in the sentence must be in an order that makes the meaning complete. I repeat, the words used in the sentence must be in an order that makes the meaning complete. वाक्य में जो शब्द है वो हमेशा करेक्ट ऑर्डर में अरेंज होना चाहिए। करेक्ट ऑर्डर मतलब सेंटेंस में सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट आता है, उसके बाद वर्ब, अंत में ऑब्जेक्ट। नेक्स्ट फीचर, पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स सच एज फुल स्टॉप एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क must be used at the end of a sentence. I repeat, punctuation marks such as full stop and question mark must be used at the end of a sentence. सेंटेंस हमेशा पंक्चुएशन मार्क से अंत होता है। अगर सेंटेंस सिंपल सेंटेंस है तो सेंटेंस के अंत में फुल स्टॉप लगेगा। अगर सेंटेंस क्वेश्चन है तो अंत में क्वेश्चन मार्क लगेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैक एंड जिल वेंट अप द हिल। At the end of this sentence, there is a full stop. So, this is a simple sentence. Second example, where do you live? At the end of this sentence, we can see there is a question mark. So, this is an interrogative sentence. So, first example is a simple sentence. So there is a sign of full stop at the end of a sentence. In second example, The sentence is a question one. So there is a sign of question mark. Next feature. In a sentence with more than two similar words, we use commas. I repeat. In a sentence with more than two similar words, we use commas. Children, where there are more than two similar words, we use the sign of comma. बच्चों, जब सेंटेंस में दो से अधिक सिमिलर थिंग्स है तो हम उन्हें कोमा लगाकर अलग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सीमा हैड टोस्ट, fruits, nuts and milk for breakfast. So you can see here there are four things like toast, fruits, nuts and milk. They are separated by commas. So whenever there are more than two similar words, we use commas. Now we will do the quick revision of the chapter. A sentence is a group of words that has complete meaning. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark like full stop and question mark. A sentence must be arranged in an order which gives the complete meaning. Children, where there are more than two similar words in a sentence, we use commas. An action word or doing word must be present in a sentence to give it a complete sense. Action words like sing, dance, play must be used in a sentence to give complete meaning. For example, I sing a song. In this sentence, sing is an action word which helps to give complete meaning. Children, I hope you have understood about the sentence.